Well, this is all lovely then, isn't it? Just riding back from the Pie Enduro course the other day after successfully completing several sections without a mishap. And just as I was pulling out to get some noodles for lunch as a celebration, I got bonnetted by a car, and someone who was driving was looking at a phone, and they've done this to my footpeg and my frame, amongst other damage. Sure sent me flying down the road. I'm all smashed right up now, and so are a lot of bits on my bike. These here have actually fractured. These are the bar riser adapters. Yeah, you can see how that is bending off to the right there instead of being vertical. Right. And as for the bars, do you believe I took them off the other day and I gave them a quick coat of paint just to make them look tidier, but they look like cow horns now. So they're going in the bin. Next question. How am I going to pull that out? Because I don't have a slide hammer or anything. I've got a feeling we're just going to have to get in there with the grinder and slice the whole lot off. I'll let you know on the update later.